Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another cleaning video. We in a bit of a mess for this one, and I've been sick all week, as you can probably hear. So yes, it was a bit of an effort to clean up, but we have a plan. So first of all, we're going to put on a movie. We're going to race the clock to see if we can get it done before the movie. So it is currently 11:18 at night because I do everything really late at night. So let's set this up, ready to go. Let me give you a little bit of a sneak peek as to what we're going to be watching. Let me know if you could guess by the opening. And then we're going to run around quickly while the movie is setting up and do a little bit. And then we're going to come back and show you a bit more. Okay, here is our movie. Dun 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 dun. I probably shouldn't sing anymore in case it got copyrighted, although my husband tells me that I'm nowhere near the actual bass line of what that song is. So I'm pretty sure though that you guys will get the gist. So we are on a mission to clean this entire kitchen because we have a whole lot of food prep stuff coming, cleaning out the fridge, cooking some things, cleaning out the pantry. It's always go, go, go around here. So it's time to get it all done and organized. So join with me. We have about 10 minutes left of this video. I'll check in 5 minutes time. Let me know. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so it's only been about 4 minutes since I last spoke to you, but we're now moving the camera so you can get an angle. So the idea for today is that, yes, I'm washing all of the dishes. They're going to air dry as per normal, put in the dishwasher when I can to start tomorrow, and then pack everything else away. I need to resort out the pantry again because we have stuff going everywhere and it's just become a massive mess. I'm trying to build up the stockpile with shopping, and of course things are just so disorganized. So we have stuff here, there and everywhere. So we're putting stuff basically in areas that's logical, stacking stuff away, and then we will get to that in another video. So we have been going for 10 minutes now, or the video has been at least. I've been cleaning for about 8. But by this time, I've been actually cleaning for about an hour. So we're racing against the movie, as I said, to see if I can get the mission done before Ethan gets his mission done. And of course, standing there watching part of it while I did dry some dishes to try and make some space. Before, you saw me just massively trying to shove everything away in a cupboard. And I'm trying to have a place for everything, and everything has a place and all that, and had to resist the urge to not declutter massively while I was there. And the same with putting everything in the cupboard underneath the sink, which you'll see in our upcoming video. I go to get some stuff out and it's just chock-a-block. I need to massively declutter it, but now is not the video to do so because I'm also running out of space on my phone. So I just want to concentrate on doing the things that are going to help me clean today. So out of sight, out of mind, as they say. And here is the finished product. Woohoo! I'm so happy. All the dishes are done. The surface area is clean. We just have the stockpile left ready to get put away, which will be an upcoming video. Now let's check in with where we're at. And oh, Ethan can't believe it. Look how amazing we are. Yep, he can't believe it either. Right in the nick of time. Look at that. So I hope that you have enjoyed this little giggle and clean with me video. I know it was amazing, wasn't it? Look at that. There was 24 minutes to go according to this, although I'm sure that includes the end credits and everything else as well. And yeah, we've been cleaning for nearly an hour and a half. It's definitely bedtime. So thank you so much for joining with me today. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.